I'm recording a video. Get out of here.
Oh, shit. That's why you need to put a shine on there.
Alright, here. I am recording.
No, an actual sign.
This means I'm recording. It works. God, idiot. Anyways, yo guys and gals, start here. Welcome back to another tutorial video on the channel. I haven't done one of these in a long time. So I recently found something that is really interesting that you guys can also download and give it a shot for yourself. Now, I did tamper with it. I did a full Kingdom Hearts Let's Play through it. It works like it should. So what I'm talking about is there's something called a PS4 Remote Play. You could download for your computer. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to show you how this works. We flip cameras. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the website. Go to google.com and you can go ahead and type in PS4 Remote Play. You click on that and it'll take you to this first link. You click on that. It's for PC and Mac. You click this to download and let it download. I already have it set up on my computer. So basically you'd follow the instructions, bring it in, it should go to your downloads, and you should have a remote play on your thing. So basically how this works is it's basically a way to record your gameplay without a capture card. A lot of you probably have a laptop and want to do the PS4 streaming directly off your PS4. A lot of you want to use the PS4 camera as your webcam. Well, it is physically impossible for you to do that when it's on the PS4 camera. Now, this way is an alternative way to record your videos without the capture card. All you need is a laptop and a controller with the USB to plug into your laptop to play it as a monitor type thing for your PS4. So basically, a monitor and a keyboard, or a monitor and a laptop to play your game and record it that way. So the programs you're going to probably need would be OBS or Streamlabs OBS to record the gameplay. You can put your webcam on there, not your PS4 webcam, an actual computer or webcam on your laptop as the overlay. So this is what I'm going to show you right now. So basically in OBS you would put in a scene. Okay, you go into your scenes, you put that in. I could show you. Let me show you how you would set that up in OBS. See, I already have one set up for OBS, but I could set up a new one for you. Let me go ahead and put a window capture over OBS. So there's the monitor. I gotta move my webcam up. Move up. So there's my monitor. Your PS4 Remote Play should be. It's a kind of to your bag. Edit. Then edit. Well, it's this one. So you click on that. It's gonna load up, and it's gonna give you this prompt here. Sorry, it's running 15 frames a second. So you go in your settings, you sign in. That's my name. You can set this however you want, but I recommend standard because however your internet is, it won't work. Frame rate, you can set the higher standard. I recommend standard depending on... See, it really depends on your internet, and it really depends on your GPU, how much GPU you can use for it to be fine and dandy. So you do that, and you hit OK. You can also change PS4s. That's another thing you can do. Now all you got to do with this is hit start. And once that's done loading up, it should kick on your PS4. And it's going to try to find your PS4. And to set it up in OBS, you basically, you copy the window, you know, you do a window capture, you capture that, and all that. So we'll wait for this to load up. Man, it's been a while since I've done a tutorial. I might redo that part. So you wait for this to load up. Takes a minute. I'm probably going to go to the other remote play to have it. Because I already have it set up that way. And I'm going to do a Streamlabs OBS tutorial video as well. I got to tinker around with it. It'll tell you when it's going to disconnect on the PS4 and all that crap. But it's good. I mean, Kingdom Hearts is a loud game, and I got to use this to reduce the sound a lot. So here it is. Let me go ahead and go to my remote play to show you. That's what it looks like on the remote play on OBS. So how you add it is basically you take this here, you resize it however you like, and then put it in there, and put your webcam over it and stuff like that. And you could, and then you have to plug your PS4 controller into your computer with the USB it came with, and you can control it from there. And the sound will come out of your computer as well, so you don't have to put it into the monitor if you don't want to record your videos. So that's basically how the PS4 remote play works. I will link down below, link the instructions down below on how to put it all together in OBS. I don't know how to do it in Streamlabs and stuff like that, but if you use OBS and you're looking for a cheap way to record your videos, download the PS4 remote play, get a webcam, laptop webcam will work, a microphone would work. If you want to use the webcam microphone, you can. I wouldn't recommend it though. I would just get yourself a decent mic. So let's say you want to become a YouTuber and you don't have enough money to get the capture card, but you have the PS4, you have the webcam, you just need to buy a mic, and that's all you got to do, and download OBS. So a lot of this stuff, let's say you spend $150 on a mic, $50 on a camera, that's all you're spending, and then maybe a monitor to play on it. So, and also, before I forget, if you are going to use this remote play, make sure your mic is set to 0 offset, because if it's set to 1500, it's going to be off, because it's what it does is it thinks it's on the computer and it moves same thing as what the in-game motion is, so it's the same movement. I have to stress that enough. I accidentally forgot to change it to 0 when I was streaming a game, and so my mouth is going to be off in the video. So hopefully this helps. PS4 remote play, download that. That'll be in the description. I'll put the instructions how to set it up in OBS in the description. So basically, again, all you have to do is set up a scene in OBS, put the remote play capture window, resize it how you want, add it to your sources, and then add your webcam over the remote play, and make sure you set your microphone to offset to 0 to make sure your voice is on par of what happens in the game. Now you can go, if you do have a capture card, you can go to the capture card and still listen to the gameplay in your thing if you have the remote play up, but you have to set your microphone offset to 1500 to get the reactions you need in game. So again, go to Google, the best source to find this, and also it's a really easy setup. Now, this is an answer that people have been asking me. Can you use the PS4 camera as a Let's Play camera? Question to your... I have the answer to that question. No. But if you download the remote play and have a webcam on your laptop, that is possible for you to actually record gameplay through OBS, Streamlabs OBS, or XSplit, or whatever streaming software you use to record videos. But I would recommend OBS because I've been using that the longest, and that's how that works. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you already used this, if I missed out any little pointers, let me know so I can improve in the next tutorial video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. So this is a follow-up to the PS4 tutorial video I did a long time ago on the PS4. So basically, this is the answer to all your problems by just recording gameplay and you don't want to stream. This is an alternative that you can do. You can also do it without the webcam too. If you're camera shy, you can still have gameplay up when you don't have a camera and still talk in the video with a microphone. So that's a thing you can do as well if you're not comfortable with the camera yet and stuff like that. So that should do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, also comment, subscribe to your new channel. Also, be sure to check out the YouTubers because they desperately need you as much as I do. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial video, which should be Streamlabs OBS. I'm going to tinker around with that, see how that works. And till next time, this is Thunder. Peace out. Till next time, and have a great day. And